Okay, so first things first, sure, your ads might be more script driven, but the script needs to have footage that's on top of it that's demonstrating the product, demonstrating what it's doing, demonstrating people opening it, unboxing it, showing it. You don't want to be sourcing footage of just a girl standing in front of a camera and talking based off of a script you write. 90% of that footage is going to be trash. Just unless that person is really, really good at acting and can read through a script and be able to present that script well, which not a lot of these creators are, that's gonna be difficult. So what I would recommend you do is identify what are all the things that you want, what are all the shots that you want in these videos. As the script is saying, do you have this problem? Great. Get a creator that's going to be showing what the problem is, right? That's going to be then bringing the product in on camera, tapping it, unboxing it, taking it out of the package. That's an unboxing. Like, I would like for you to shoot a a piece of content that literally opens up the product. Great. That is going to be one thing that is got from the campaign. Next one is, I would like for you to shoot you showing the problem, whatever that problem may be. Great. That's another piece of content that's in that project. Like, you can segment it and then showing the product being applied. Like, you can segment it into footage that content creator is sourcing and is creating, right? And then that is packaged into what you approach them with, what they need to get shot. Most of this should not be them speaking. Most of it should be them utilizing the product and showing the product in really good, lighting. That's the footage you're going to need to overlay. The actual scripting part, the voiceover part, that can all happen in the background. That should happen in the background with a better setup for that. What I mean by that is, there should be a voiceover that's done, whether it's AI, whether it's somebody actually voicing it, whether you're going on like Voice Jungle and hiring a person to do it, or going somewhere else to hire a person to do it. Doesn't matter, right? The person, the voicing over of the script and the actually script being read, unless you have the creator take the phone and is not recording themselves and just reading the script, that's better, right? That can result in then using that now script audio, like the voiceover, on the bottom of the ad, and then layering those pieces of content on top, and then telling the story with whatever copy you're using on top of that, right? And them talking. You see what I'm saying? So again, boiling back to what you want to source, you want to source things that you cannot visually source yourself. Visually, right? You can get some people that are doing testimonials, but that shouldn't be the bulk of your content.